Welcome to the BIM studio at the BIM World 2019. In our round, we have 3 of 5 startups who made it into the finals of the Smart Construction Innovation World Cup, the biggest award in smart construction. On my right, I have Ansgar Sommer of BIM Designer and Christoph Degendorfer of BIM Spot. And on my left, it's Mo Akbari Hochberg of HoloBuilder. So overall, we had more than 230 submissions and 35 startups in the pitch that pitched yesterday and at the BIM World 2019. So you are amongst the best 2% of our submissions. So congratulations for this. And I want to directly learn more about your startups and please describe your solution to us. I will start with Mo on my left, so stage is yours.
Thank you. At HoloBuilder, we support giant contractors and owners with progress tracking on of their job sites. So they can go in, take a 360 camera, and our app, go to the job site, create a Google Street View out of the job site. And they can go through time again and again. So it creates a time travel with it. And then you can bring your Revit, Navisworks into it to see as-built and compare also plan to reality. And then we have AI on top, which can analyze all that data, which gives you then insights and then saves a lot of time for you superintendents, project managers on the site.
Thank you very much. And now I want to ask Ansgar to tell us more about your solution.
Okay. The BIM Designer is a product or platform for managing all the data that we need in the building process. And we can import directly from Allplan and Revit the data and build up a custom bill of material and also cost estimation for all the objects. And additionally, we can handle even every single model entity inside the models, and that is what we think that makes it unique. Don't think about models, don't think about, for example, walls, doors, and so on. That is our progress that we want to try to implement and have a lot of work with, and I think it works well currently.
Yeah, I think it does, because you made it into the finals, so I'm sure it does. So, and now, Christoph, can you tell us more about BIM Spot? But I have to tell something first. Christoph Degendorfer, he's the CEO of BIM Spot, and he's also the winner of the Smart Construction Innovation World Cup, so an extra congratulations for this.
Thank you very much.
And now please explain what BIM Spot is doing.
Yeah, BIM Spot is providing a solution where you can find all your building information in one spot. We are doing that with independent solutions, so it's up to you which software you choose for developing the models, but then we bring it all together at BIM Spot. We think that it's very important to make the approach to BIM very easy, so that's actually one of our main goals, to make a solution very easy to understand for every stakeholder who is not an expert in BIM yet, but provide that to the teams, to every stakeholder. This is what we're heading for.
Sounds really exciting. So can you tell us more about your next steps now?
Yeah, so we have a lot of ideas. We have a clear focus on the product. So actually product development is of course one big challenge. And the other one is that we are kind of extending our online marketing to bring more people to the platform, to involve the whole project teams to the platform. So actually, this is our 2 main goals for the next.
So the milestones
year.
for
Yeah,
2020.
Exactly. Yeah.
And what are your milestones for 2020 for BIM Designer?
Our next steps for BIM Designer is first step, open the BIM Designer platform with a REST API and also visualize the data in the browser platform. so that other people can attach additional apps or some small applications and use the BIM Designer as a common data environment to handle all their needs for the building information models.
Exciting. So how many users do you already have on the platform?
Currently we are in development and use it mostly internal, and we are looking currently for some pilot projects and pilot companies that want to use and implement also BIM Designer for their progress. And that is quite interesting because it's from different manufacturers. One is a construction company and the other one is a project developer, and also other planning offices that use a BIM Designer for their data management.
So exciting steps to come.
Yeah.
And Mo, I think you have already, I've seen some incredible numbers yesterday on users that are on your platform. So, please let us know also your next steps and the current status of your HoloBuilder.
Yes, speaking of the users, I mean, we are now on 18,000 different projects today. And as we talk to these people, superintendent project managers on site, one important thing is for them that they free up time. So they can do more communication between the owners, the subcontractors, so manage the project. And that's our goal, to automate more things for them. That could be through our AI, that they don't need to look at pictures. So we give them insights, so that we will further develop in the next year. And now we just announced last week the first product with Boston Dynamics together, that we can have robots who can constantly go on a site and capture pictures, so that you free up the time, you're not going, and you have a consistent data set. So pushing robotics and AI further into the job sites of today, that's like our main goal for next year.
This sounds really exciting, and I have seen the robot also in your presentation, so it's really exciting. You have to visit the BIM town if you're here at the BIM World. And we are here, let's say the BIM World, so I'm pretty sure you will also come to the BIM World 2020, but it would be really interesting to learn more about, let's say, the result out of the BIM World 2019. If you can already tell us, because it's not over yet, but maybe a first information.
Sure, and for us it was great. So we have most of our customers in the US at the moment, and now we are coming back to Germany, in the German market. So for us it was very important to see and understand and talk to German companies or BIM managers, BIM coordinators here in Germany, and learn how they do their projects. How are their pain points maybe different or not from the builders in the US. So for us it was great learnings, and also foster some of our partnerships with the European partners here.
Mm-hmm. So the BIM World is a good launch platform for the European market for you.
Yes, that's like a very good place to be and talk to so many different people and learn a lot. It's a good starting point.
Yeah, that's wonderful. So, and what is your outcome of the BIM World 2019?
Yeah, actually, I think it's more or less the same. We used that event, which is actually growing from year to year. I was at BIM World, I think 4 years ago. It was, I don't know, but it wasn't like a quarter of the size. So it's really great how the event is developing. We used it as we're developing an online tool. We used it as a one-to-one kind of feedback possibility with our customers. So that was actually what we were doing the last day. We are 3 people here and having very intense talks to the customers. Of course, very interesting talks. And of course, the award was also one of the highlights, of course.
Great. So, and how was it for a BIM designer, this BIM World 2019?
It was.
Or how is it? It's still running.
It was very exciting because discussed with a lot of people what they are thinking about, how to manage all these information and data, and it's show us how complex the building industry is, and the variation of every project is quite different. And what we also look for and need is to work with other companies with different solutions, for example, for cost controlling or task management and so on. And that is what we are thinking on, that is, we are not able to do everything by ourselves. We need other people and other companies, other solutions to build up more and more powerful tool that the user can handle the building process. And that is what we think is a good platform here at the BIM World to discuss with the people, get information, and have good contacts to other people.
Good. So that's that's the most important thing. Good leads, good contacts, a good launch platform. So that's wonderful. So thank you very much. If you want to add something, it's time now. Otherwise,
yeah, check out BIM Spot on the website, and cloud.bimspot.io is our platform. You can check out the online product there.
Yeah, so I also want to give this chance now to HoloBuilder and to BIM Designer.
Currently, we have we're looking for some people and other users that want to try BIM Designer and work in further progress to develop a good solution for handling this building process.
Mm-hmm. Mo.
No, first of all, thank you for having us here. And giving us a chance for the interview. As we are expanding in Europe, we are looking definitely for new account executives and salespeople for Europe. So if somebody needs a new job or wants to change to a fast-growing company, just write us. You find the information online. Thank you.
So a lot of chances for great BIM designers also here. And thank you very much. It's our pleasure to welcome you, all of you here. And congratulations again for making it into the finals, and especially also to you for winning the Smart Construction Innovation World Cup. And the next Smart Construction Innovation World Cup is already open for submissions. On the website www.innovationworldcup.com, you can already submit your solution to the next Smart Construction Innovation World Cup and save your spot at the BIM World 2020. An important information, it's free of charge to take part, so go for it. Thank you. Thank you.